Hello friends. Today I am going to narrate a short story. Title of the story is Wooden Bowl. An old man went to live with his daughter-in-law in the city. At this stage of his life, he had become very weak. His hands used to tremble and he could not see well. He lived in a small house. The whole family and his 4-year-old grandson ate together at the dinner table. But due to being old, that person had a lot of difficulty in eating. Sometimes the grains of peas came out of his spoon and scattered on the floor, and sometimes milk spilled from his hand and fell on the tablecloth. The daughter-in-law and son kept tolerating all this for a day or two, but now they are getting annoyed with this act of their father. "We have to do something about them," said the boy. The daughter-in-law also nodded in affirmation and said, "After all, how long will we continue to spoil the enjoyment of our food? Because of him, and we cannot see things getting damaged like this." The next day, when it was time to eat, the son put an old table in the corner of the room. Now, the old father had to sit there alone and have his meal. Even a wooden bowl was given in place of their eating utensils, so that no more utensils could break. The rest of the family sat and ate comfortably as before, and when they occasionally looked at the old man, tears would appear in his eyes. Even after seeing this, the heart of the daughter-in-law did not melt, and she would scold him even on a smallest mistake. The grandson who was sitting there also kept watching all this very carefully and was engrossed in himself. One night before dinner, the little boy was seen by his parents sitting on the floor doing something. "What are you making?" the father asked, and the child replied innocently, "Hey, I'm making a wooden bowl for you guys so that when I grow up, you guys can eat in it." And he got back to his work. But this incident had a deep impact on his parents. Not a single word came out of their mouths, and tears started flowing from their eyes. Both of them had understood, without speaking much, what they had to do now. That night, he brought his aging father back to the dinner table and never misbehaved with him again. Real education is not hidden in words, but it's hidden in our deeds. If we just keep on preaching to the children that respect elders, respect everyone, and behave opposite to it, then the child also learns to do the same. That's why never treat your parents in such a way that tomorrow your children also start preparing wooden bowls for you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.